Well, Florence has came and gone now, and relentless rain. The wind wasn't too bad, but it's been here and it's gone, and we're still here. Whoa! The boogie bob. Alright, welcome back again, folks. This video is going to be a viewer mail video. I promised I would open this on camera, and I'm ashamed because I've been here a couple of days and just haven't had time to do it. But that's what it is. But first, and a shout out. First, I'm going to ask you guys if you remember this guitar. You all older subscribers might remember it. It's a Pignose guitar. Check that out. It's an acoustic electric guitar, I guess you would say. You can play it without an amp, or you can play it with an amp. The back of it's got a big battery pack there. Someone's done a lot of work to it, but it don't work. Hey, it won't come on. The on and off main switch here may be the problem. I have another one of these, and it's actually in better shape than this one is, looks wise. Yeah, stay tuned, because I'm going to get one of these play, and I'm going to take everything out of it and troubleshoot it, find out why it doesn't work. And we're going to make it play. I don't know when, but pretty soon, because I've been wanting to do that. And I'm going to do it while I'm taking time to fix my stuff. Alright, the viewer mail. I'll bring you over here and tell you all about it. Hold on. This viewer mail is from James O'Rear of Rattle Can Guitar Restorations. I'm going to put a link down below. And I'd like for y'all to check him out if you want to. If you like watching guitar stuff. He sent me stuff before. And he sent, I think, if I understood right, he sent all these patrons maybe this, or sent them all something. I don't know if he sent them all the same thing, or, you know, exactly how he did it. But anyways, this is what I got from him. And I promised him I would open it on video. And I want to give him a shout out for it too. I got to be careful here because I'm seeing this the first time. Oh, okay, yeah, check it out. Rattle Can Guitar Restorations. That is cool, man. I'll put it right back here. I'll show you in a minute what I'm going to put it at. Some other stickers folks have sent me. I got a place I'll stick them back behind me. I'm going to have to get a wall to put them on pretty soon. I don't want to give anything away here that's not. So I'll just read this to you. It says, Randy, thanks for your friendship and support. And please accept this as a small token of my appreciation for all the info you have something into my brain through yours. I'll hold it up here and let you read it. P.S. Pet cue ball for me. Cheers, James. Maybe y'all can make out what it says, that one word. I couldn't. Can you see that? I'm like shaking so damn bad you can't read it. Token of my appreciation for all the info you have dropped, maybe dumped into my brain through your videos. Yeah, okay. Dumped into my brain through your videos. I think that's what it says. Well, James, thanks for keeping it here, man. I'm gladly give you any info I have. So, yeah, check that out, man. A sticker. I'll put it where you can always see it. I guess it'll go that way, because when I look in the camera, everything's backwards. I can't even read that right there in the camera. It's like holding it up to a mirror is what it looks like. I know when you look at it back on a TV screen or computer screen, it'll be right, majestically. Alright, hold on. Now I get some other stickers from folks. I'll show them to you just in a second. But the very, very special ones, and there's only a few of them, go right here. I think you can see it back in there. Hopefully you can see that. I'm sure you've seen it in all the videos. That's where this sticker's going to go. Right in there somewhere where you can see it. Where you guys can see it. Here's a bunch of these will look familiar to you. Epiphone. And the guys we love to hate. Yeah, I got a couple from them. JustStrings.com. I think I ordered something from them and they sent that. Ernie Ball Music Man. I think that was from an order. Just Strings again. Sweetwater, I remember that order. And Gretsch from Todd Taylor. This sticker needs to go in there too. Anyways, James, thank you, man, for keeping it here. I'm going to leave this lay on the bench so I can remember to put it back in there. In fact, I might just do that tonight. Y'all check the link down below. I'm going to leave a link to James's channel. He sent me a lot of stuff. He sent me stuff several times before. And James, thank you, man. And thank you for the sticker. And thank you for keeping it here, dude. And thank you for being a patron. And anyways, I'll put a link down here. Go to his channel, YouTube channel. Check him out. Or you can go to his Patreon channel. Check him out there. His Patreon website. And tell him you dropped in from the house. I keep all these love letters. I keep every one of them. I've got them all from day one. And someday maybe I have a big enough place with enough room. Well, this place is big enough. I just need more room to put them all on the wall behind me. I think it'd be pretty cool, man. Everything everybody sent me. Yeah, where you guys could see it too and enjoy it. I got a whole stack of stuff right here I need to go through from you all. And I don't even video all this stuff. You know, some people send me something they want me to open it on camera. And some tell me not to. So please don't open it on camera. Don't say my name. Don't just open it by yourself. So, you know, I respect that if that's what people want. Been kind of taking it easy on videos lately. Just, like I said before, a whole lot of crap going on. But that's normal for the house that never sleeps, I guess. I'm getting ready to order some more t-shirts before much longer. I got a few problems I'm working on right now. Get those worked out. I'm going to order more shirts of all sizes. So stay tuned if you want a shirt. Well, stay tuned whether you want a shirt or not. And this is going to be an interesting fix right here. And it's going to take some figuring because I've already briefly went through. Well, I spent several hours, couple hours, 3, trying to track it down, figure out why it won't even come on. See, it's got a 9-volt battery there. And I forget how many double A's is in this pack right here, but it's a shitload. A bunch of them. Now, I'm told this thing, when they work, they play very loud for, you know, what is a 6-inch or 4-inch speaker, I don't know. Yeah, it's probably a 6, looks like. And I'll show it to you one more time. You can look at the controls on the front. I can't see the camera, so you're on your own. And 3 plug-ins for 3 amps if you want. And there's what the battery pack looks like. Like I say, well, that's the main battery pack. I think someone rigged that up on this big one here. Wow, this thing is heavy as all crap. But stay tuned for it. We're going to make it play one way or another. Like I say, I got another one over there. I think, if I remember right, it's in better shape than this one is. So I might put the good guts in it. Pignose guitar. Pignose Vegas. Look them up. They make amps too. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Videos will pick back up eventually. I'm kind of taking a vacation right now. It ain't lasting long enough, but they'll pick back up anyway. I ain't going anywhere. I don't have any plans going anywhere anyway. Cheers. See you very soon on a fix. Well, there you go. It's in there. The Gretsch one, it won't fit in there anywhere. I'm going to have to find a place for it that'll fit where you can see it, or put it on the wall or something. Anyways, thanks, James. And thank all you guys. I love you guys. See you soon.